ilé tó ń fẹ́ rí. Akínyẹ̀dé ọkọ̀ sì dàbí. Ìyẹn kọ́ ni mo sọ. Ẹgbẹ́ mi túbọ̀ kan tí mo rí. Akínyẹ̀dé ọkọ̀ sì dàbí. Ṣèwù tí o fẹ́ ṣe kó o gbọ́dọ̀ lówó òrùka ilẹ̀. Ṣèwù tí o fẹ́ ṣe kó o gbọ́dọ̀ lówó òrùka ilẹ̀. Ìjọba ló máa gbọ́dọ̀ lówó rẹ̀. Káwọn aláàbò mi ọmọ fìdá bí ẹni. Mẹ́ta ẹ̀sán lọ́dún tẹ́tí. Saheed ọkọ̀ lòdì òyìn ìgbà àbọ̀lá. Saheed ọmọ fìdá. Ọmọ bá lúwọ̀ àyíkó. Saheed ọmọ bá ní Ìbàdàn. Ọmọ bá ní Ìbàdàn. Ọmọ bá ní Ìbàdàn. Saheed ọmọ bá ní Ìbàdàn.
Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys, if you to subscribe, one will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You watch the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my saying, some of you will not stay, will like, please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? Watch this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. Leave that.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.